These crazy facts about our solar system will shock, wow, delight and inspire kids of all ages. Even adults will be surprised to learn many of these facts about space.
But first, what is our solar system? Our solar system consists of 8 planets that orbit around the Sun. In order from closest to farthest from the Sun, the planets go as follows: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. After Neptune comes Pluto, which is no longer considered a planet but a dwarf planet instead. Here are the top 10 facts. Number 1. The hottest planet is not the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury sits closest to the Sun, but it's not the hottest planet. Instead, Venus, the second closest planet to the Sun, is the hottest planet. That's because Venus has an incredibly thick atmosphere, 100 times thicker than the atmosphere on Earth. When sunlight passes through this dense atmosphere, it causes the surface of Venus to heat. The average temperature on Venus is a frightening 875 degrees Fahrenheit. The weather isn't much more hospitable on Mercury, with the average temperature hovering around a steamy 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. There are rocks on Earth that came from Mars. And we didn't bring them here. There are rocks found on planet Earth that came directly from Mars. It's believed these rocks landed here due to an asteroid hitting Mars and/or from a volcanic explosion on our neighboring planet. Number 3. Earth has a very unique chemical composition. Planet Earth is made up of iron, oxygen, silicon, sulfur, magnesium, sodium, nickel, calcium, and aluminum. While all of these elements are found on other planets, they are only found in trace amounts. The majority of elements found on other planets are helium and hydrogen. On the contrary, 90% of Earth is made up of iron, oxygen, silicon and magnesium. Number 4. Jupiter has had the same ongoing storm for 300 years and counting. Jupiter has an area known as the Great Red Spot where a giant hurricane-like storm has been raging non-stop for 300 years. This storm has fierce winds of around 270 miles per hour. The stormy Great Red Spot is over twice the size of Earth. Number 5. Neptune has the fastest wind speeds. Neptune experiences wind speeds as fast as 1,600 miles per hour. Number 6. You grow as much as 5 cm in space. Without the weight of gravity holding you down, your spine is able to expand to its full capacity in outer space. Some people grow as much as 5 cm taller in space compared to on Earth. Number 7. The skin peels off your feet in space. Due to the microgravity environment found in space, astronauts do not use their feet to walk. As a result, the skin on their feet begins to soften and fall off. Astronauts tend to wear the same socks for days at a time, due to the lack of washing machines. When they do remove their socks, they have to be extra careful about it. Otherwise, dead chunks of skin go flying everywhere. So that's all for today's video. Meet you next time, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.